Hi all, I wanted to make a quick video regarding why it makes sense for option buyers to switch to Sensex. Before I begin, I would like to mention that this is an educational channel. All content over here is for the sake of education. Kindly read the disclaimer you see on the screen and in the description below. With that said, let's proceed. So the concept behind this video is over the last 1 week, 10 days, I have been switching over to Sensex, and I find more sense trading the Sensex uh, because I'm an option buyer, and I'm going to explain the reason and logic behind that in this video. And I hope that some people will be able to relate to my logic. All right. So I'll use the payers trading platform in this, and I've not used this for a long time, maybe a year now. So there may hardly be any balance in this account. Uh, okay, so let's first go through. This is how when I used to trade. This is how my trading panel used to look. I don't know exactly what averages are running over here. So it's running 34, 89, and 55. That's all okay. Since we are not going to be discussing indicators and moving averages over here, I'll tell you my logic to why I've shifted to uh, Sensex as an option buyer. And nowadays I seem to be more on Sensex than on Nifty, Finnifty, Bank Nifty, and Midcap Nifty. Some time back I was trading on Midcap Nifty and I was really liking it, but recently I've found that as an option buyer I need volatility, and even when the index is moving, Midcap, the the premiums are not moving in Midcap, which is a very surprising kind of a phenomena. Uh, really don't know why. So you find that the index is moving, but the premiums are not moving. All right. In any case, so Nifty has ended according to this fares chart at about 23,500 something. So I generally trade in the money. So this will be for me 23,000. I'll make this go in the money. I'll go to 23,500 since I want to be in the money, and year 23,700, that's fine. Now generally if I'm shorting the market, currently my view on the market is sideways to negative. By the way, US is closed in the red on Friday, and even though we have Delhi elections won by BJP, I'm really not sure whether the market will rejoice on that because of the global sentiments. All right, and even if there is some up move, then I think that it'll be quick to come down as well. But that aside, I'll tell you, if I wanted to short Nifty and if I see a shorting opportunity, first of all, what I don't like in Nifty nowadays is Nifty, the premiums are not moving. If I click on this, I see that 16,000 is what I require. The lot is now 75. Earlier, I think it was 25. Now it's 75. This is still better than the other indices on the NSE. All right. If I have to choose an index to trade on NSE right now, it has to be Nifty because the others have become even worse. All right. So Nifty, at least I can imagine myself trading Nifty. The problem with Nifty that I'm facing is lack of momentum uh, compared to Sensex. Now, again, remember that Nifty as an index is hovering around the 23,500 mark, whereas Sensex hovers around the 77,000 mark. All right. So a 1% change in Nifty is how much? It's about 230, 40 points. A 1% change in Sensex is 770 plus points. So imagine that. All right. We need to factor everything when we are trading. So at least even one lot, if I had to short over here, would cost me 16,868. You can roughly say 17,000. And this is the better part of NSE indices. Apart from that, let's go to Bank Nifty and see Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is currently at 50,200 according to this chart, and I will take at the money for this at 50,200, and I'll take 50,300 put. So if I had to buy put in this, it's going to cost me 21,000 for a lot size of 30. All right. I've never been a very big fan of Bank Nifty because I find the movements very erratic. Uh, but in any case, this also requires 21,000 to trade a lot size of 30. And because of the weekly expiries moving out in Bank Nifty, uh, now we are only left with monthly, and monthly expiry means dealing with high premiums till we are uh, close to the expiry. For the first 1 or 2 weeks, the premiums are going to be very high, especially in the first week. All right. So for me, Bank Nifty also is out of the picture unless there's some very good opportunity. I don't see myself trading in this, and I see that there is some reluctant strength happening in Finnifty and Bank Nifty. I don't see anything positive. I don't know why it's trying to be positive. So currently, it's not a great index for me to trade. Yes, I have made money in Bank Nifty in the past, but right now, this is not where my head lies. So this is 21,000 for a lot size of 30. Anyways, it's a 50,000 index, so 1% is 500 points. Not bad, but not to my liking at the moment. Now let's save this also. I don't think I've made any changes, but let's save this also. Now next we'll go to Finnifty. Finnifty, I don't trade that much. Never been a big fan. It basically follows Bank Nifty, but anyways, Finnifty is currently at, how much is Finnifty at? 23,500 odd levels. So if I take 20,000 call over here and 20,600 put over here, currently the put value for 23,600, which is just almost at the money kind of a thing. Ideally, I should be at 23,700 or 800. My preferred at this point would be at least 23,700. Let me go to and change that. I would at least want to be at 23,700 on this. That show you the kind of my basic idea on what kind of strike prices I like. My personal favorite for strike prices is something between 200 and 300, but that has changed because of the recent lot size changes. Anyways, so in Finnifty, if I had to buy 23,700 put, how much would it cost me? It's going to cost me 24,000 rupees for a lot size of 65. All right, a 1% change on this index is roughly about 230-40 points or 40-50 points. All right, you need to factor in everything. So here the lot size is 65, the minimum required is 24,000. Again, something that I'm not very comfortable with. All right, so we close this, we'll save the changes that we have made. And which one is left in NSE? I think Midcap is left. Okay, so let's quickly run through Midcap also. Now Midcap, I think they have made the lot size 100 plus currently. So Midcap currently is at 12,000, and so we'll take at the money 12,000 call and 21,100 put. Now that seems to be decent. Ideally, I would want to be at 21,200, but let's even consider 12,100. If I had to buy this, I would require 33,944 to trade a lot size of 120, and this is a very volatile index. I like the previous lot size. I think it was 75. I'm not too sure, but taking this lot size to 120 has really increased the premiums. Again, there are no weekly expiries apart from Nifty. So Midcap, Finnifty, Bank Nifty, these are on monthly expiries, and in the first 2 weeks, you'll find that the premiums are pretty high. So you need 33,944. Not great, not something ideally to my liking. Anyways, BankX, I don't know, for some reason I don't trade that much, so we'll quickly run through that as well. And this is how BankX looks. You'll find that the movements are a little erratic, premiums are quite high. 1013, this is the index I would like to discuss the least because I don't trade on this. And anyways, what's the lot size on this? 30. I need 24,000 rupees to buy a one lot size of 30. Again, premiums on this also are generally quite high. So we'll quickly just close this. Now let's go to Sensex and see why Sensex makes sense. So Sensex currently is at 77,000. How much is that? 77,860, which is okay. Over here also is showing something close. On my other chart is showing something else. But anyways, so 77,800 it is. Let's take a strike price of 77,800 as a call. We'll take 77,800. I like to be in the money. And I'll take 78,000 as the put. Yeah, that should do. It's 150 points away. So I'll save this. Now let's see if I want to short Sensex at 78,000, I just need 8,000 rupees for a lot size of 20. That is where the beauty comes in with Sensex. All right, the lot size is nice. It's a big index, so 1% change in Sensex is a 700-point move. And here you find momentum. All right, Nifty has been very lethargic. Even if I go to 40, 2 lots, it's 40, 17,000, 3 lots, it's 26,000, 4 lots, 34,000. And if I trade 100, 5 lots, 43,000. This is the good part about this is the lot sizing currently in my view is correct when it comes to Sensex. It makes even people with lesser capital accessible. It's got weekly expiries on its side. So all things considered, when I consider everything, the kind of premium range I like, the kind of volatility that I like, all things considered, nothing makes more sense as of this point of time apart from Sensex. And if I had to choose one from the NSE, then it would be Nifty. But Nifty does not move as much as Sensex does. And Sensex, I find when it moves 100, 130, 40 points on Sensex is no big deal. All right. So you can play with a small quantity, get good returns on your capital and be happy about it, which in other indices currently is not that favorable. I don't know whether everybody will be able to understand the logic in this. I think if you've been trading in options for at least 2 years, you'll immediately understand what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to basically tell you that when you look at the capital involved, when you look at the lot sizing, when you look at the volatility, and you factor all these things in, you'll find that Sensex makes the most favorable index for option buyers at this point of time. The second best at this point of time, in my view, is Nifty. But then again, Nifty does not move as much as Sensex does, and other indices are just Midcap is acting weird. I mean, puts are just not rising even when the index is falling. In my view, I may be totally wrong. I don't sit total 8 hours in one stretch. I take a break sometimes in between, so I may be missing out. But whenever I've sat in front of the system and taken a trade, currently Sensex makes the most sense for me in terms of lot size, capital required, movement, volatility, and return on capital, everything put together, and the fact that there's weekly expiry in Sensex. The pricing is correct, the lot sizing is correct, the returns are correct, the movements are okay, it's nice compared to other indices. So all in all factors considered, I find the most sensible index right now for option buying is Sensex. I hope I was able to put my point across in this. And if you agree with me, then leave a note in the comment. It'll be nice to know that there are other people who agree with my point of view. And even if you don't agree, then you can just write over there why you don't agree, and I'll take a note of that as well. All right, so let's make this more conversational, and let me know whether you agree with me or disagree with me in the comment section. Don't get nasty. Write politely why you agree and why you don't agree. I mean, we don't have to be aggressive and be rude at each other. I may have a point of view and you may have a point of view, and we both may be right or wrong. Who cares? Yeah, we are just trying to have a discussion. All right. I just wanted to put this point across why I find Sensex is the most sensible index to trade right now as an options buyer. On that note, I'll end this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're already a subscriber, consider becoming a member on the channel by clicking on the join button. It's only 89 rupees a month. And if you're an international viewer, it's close to $1. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with your family and friends. Please give our videos a like, click on the thumbs up. It motivates us to make more videos for you. Also subscribe to our free Telegram channel. The link is given in the description in all our videos. And buy all your Amazon products from our Amazon affiliate link given in the description. You don't pay anything extra, but we make a small commission every time you make a purchase from Amazon through our affiliate link. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.